This How to 1 Minute will show you how to play 5.1 music in VLC media player. First of all, open your VLC media player and click on Tools, Preferences, and Show Settings. Select All, and here you'll find this audio option. So expand audio and expand output modules and click on DirectX, and in the right pane select your output device. It must be the device that supports 5.1 output. It can be the inline speakers or it can be speakers you have hooked up via Bluetooth. Select them, and from the speaker configuration drop down select 5.1. Click on Save, and you are done. When you play audio and video in VLC media player, it will play the associated audio in the 5.1 channel. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.